Lady Tamaraws, third ngayon sa Group A, while Valkyries.
Yeah, so on your screen,
Game against the Philippine Navy Lady Sailors. Our team starters for Both New Zealand. Abby Henao, the third member of our panel, bring you this first game of a triple header. Tutuwa ka na pagsisigawan ka ng coach. Ngayon,
and speaking of Nico,
ayan na nga.
nandyan na siya. Coach Cholo is already present sa ating...
New Zealand first on the board. Tingnan natin paano sasagot dito. FEU, there you go. That is MJ Mangiat.
From the past 2 games. For me, nakuha na nila yung rhythm nila, nakuha na nila yung chemistry na hinihingi, na kinakailangan ng isang team. Yung kanilang strength.
Parang tumitingin ako sa salamin pag napapanood ko ang FEU at New Zealand. They prefer to shoot from deep, but here, FEU this time from inside the paint. Bigyan natin ito kay Abby Henao, third member of our panel. Go ahead.
Nikos!
Ito, maaga pong upuan, aircon, at hindi kayo magsisisi. Oh, Pinoy step from Kate Castillo. Sabi niya, hindi po pasok mga tres ko, atake muna ako.
About Kate Castillo, so versatile player. She can shoot outside, she can shoot inside.
Pero grabe naman rin sumagot dito. From his players here, floater, finally good. That is Camille Claro with 15 seconds remaining. Let's see if they hold on to the basketball. Papi Snow says no, I'm gonna get that basket.
We know the New Zealand na magaling DLSU player.
Ooh,
Lady Archer.
So support nila yung mga ate nila.
Shout out, Lady Archer. Yes, alam mo, gaya ng na-mention ko kanina, no, they've been taking a lot of shots outside the paint. And marami ding hindi pumapasok dito. Pero that's what really Coach Cholo's goal. Lagi niya yan sinasabi na we're doing press para makuha yung momentum.
Pero pag pumapasok yung mga tres ng FEU Lady Tamaraws, just like that from the top of the key, it always keeps them in. Time from the offensive board going to the Lady Tamaraws. One more try here. Lopez, mid-range jumper. All net for Lopez.
Good adjustment from FEU.
Now, after those 5 points from the Lady Tamaraws early here, this time from way downtown, finally, Camille Claro, nagpaparamdam na. Ako tatanong dyan about kay Camille Claro, pero ngayon bigay mo natin kay Abby Henao, meron siyang kakwento sa atin ngayong second quarter.
Nico Suna, pag-uusapan na lang din natin.
Big guys na magaling silang ball handler, at least sa women.
She can
At least
also
sa women.
get that offensive board and the putback. Amia Espanyol, one of the key players.
Siya, lalo na offensively.
Oh, I love that give and go with Kate Castillo. She is prioritizing inside the paint kasi yung tres niya ngayon medyo
Tao versus matanda, hindi maiilang sila kasi parang mga ate to, dapat nire-respeto.
sabi ni Kate Castillo, respetuhin ito. Don't go under the screen. Para sa Blue Fire Valkyries, they get a steal. The momentum on their side. Oh my goodness! They're on a roll here. This gusto ka kausapin mamaya ng Blue Fire Falcons. Siyempre tawag kong matanda. Makakarinig ka sa kanila mamaya. We see here Espanyol once again. This time from the mid-range. Now
Them na coming from the bench.
it's a great find by Castillo finding Peñaranda. They should take the time. But Espanyol, pwede na rin pasa. You can call it like a pass.
Parang dinampot lang doon. Ganda yung pinakita nila both on offense and on defense, and we're excited to see more actions. And instead na pumasok sila inside the paint, if you're trying to inaaral yung team, makikita mo na from the past.
Maintain this lead or even increase it.
Well, first, convert ko din yung turnovers dito ng FEU. They've committed 17 turnovers. So, kung ma-turnover na yun, lalayo tayo. Nalalayo talaga tayo.
FEU not wasting any time, and that's how they started this game. Once again, from the top of the key, 3. Ball is back to Espanyol. Espanyol taking the mid-range jumper. She has no problems taking that one, and that is why, for good reason. Espanyol getting trapped. 3 players on Espanyol. No one there to contest. Easy hook shot by
Ganda ng
JM
floater
Nagma.
na yun.
Opts to drive against the wall of Lady Tamaraos, waiting there, but no problem. Using the board is Angel Kinko, having a great game here after 3. That Fina Ichudo not in the active playing players right now for the Valkyries. And Kate Castillo showing us her all-around game. This
Ang deficit ahead ng FEU Lady Tamaraos. Kaya masabi ni Coach, kailangan lang nila ng extra passes and kailangan ma-stop ang offensive rebounds ng FEU.
the Blue Fire Valkyries. Oh, botch pass. Good thing they recovered it. Or rather, Lady Tamaraos scoring inside a paint. That's why, ikaw yung resident analyst natin dito. So, see their mid-range jumper for the Valkyries this time. It's
To tell everybody.
from downtown, Eliza Villamor. Isa rin naman sa mga dapat panoorin. But, oh no, this third quarter, let's see if they keep on continuing that one. This time in the mid-range. This time Torres making her presence felt.
Yung bola.
Peñaranda, a one-woman fast break and the end one. Great recognition there with the defense. Not even very close out there. Open. Espanol leading to the basket. I think the easiest basket for her in this game. Well defended. Going to the post, using the board of the Lady Tamaraos. That is Patio.
Dali ng tira para sa kanya.
Speaking of dali, ito na yung pinakamadaling tira ni Snow Peñaranda, converting from that turnover matchup. Using the screen, Espanol finding a shooter on the left corner. Finally, FEU making something from deep. Once again, MJ Manguia.
Ang nagbibigay ng kumpiyansa sa teammates niya.
Snow showing us her footwork and using the board to add more.
Kontra siya nung turnovers kasi naku-convert to ni New Zealand. Live stream. I believe my teammates from Marikina City are watching. So,
Yung lead dito na Blue Fire. Kasi kanina naman naka 7-0 run na Lady Tamaraos.
I think it's because of an early pen. Pipigilan talaga siya ni New Zealand. And naku-convert dito ni New Zealand yung mga turnovers ni FA.
Speaking of conversions, Snowpen. Oh, there you go. Lisario, finally her first basket in this game. Espanol. She's a marked woman here in this matchup. Finally, this time from the corner. Manguia once again from the corner. That has been her sweet spot here against Peñaranda. Ooh, there you go. Not much resistance for the Blue Fires. It was only Peñaranda right there. A Papi Snow to you and to maybe our viewers here.
Yeah.
See, they're a floater by FU. They are coming alive.
Papi Snow.
That's a person who want to leave wide open. Espanol with a strong rebound and the putback, which prompts Coach Cholo to call the timeout as their lead. Makakalayo na sila after a 12-point lead, but FU just not completely out of it. Again, here, a three-pointer with two different playing styles, no?
Yes.
Espanol sidestepping on her way to the rim against Peñaranda, getting ahead of her. This
Tayan sa Espanol. And kailangan niya yun i-take advantage para mas lalo pang,
lead still for the Blue Fire Valkyries. Espanol finding Manguia from the left corner. That has been her spot. Two, I think made 3-point shots on that song. A scramble for the ball. They get another shot here. Lopez this time from the wing is all net. One possession separates the Valkyries. The trap. Espanol to tie. Lady Tamaraos handles the last second pass and the bucket for Angel Kinko. FU is down by 2. Can they tie it? Yes, they will. Amia Espanol using the Peñaranda screen. Peñaranda with a drive. Easy bucket for Snow. FEU with no more timeouts. Espanol not wasting any time. Espanol trapped. Passing to Lopez for 3. Almost, but too strong.
how can you rely on her on the inside, on the outside.
So I have to step up na. Then